Hope you're doing well, guys, and in today's video I plan to unbox the Barracuda Fast SSD from Seagate. I was looking for a hard drive, as you've seen that I've made a series of videos for external hard drives, and if you are struggling to basically back up your data and you need something for your Final Cut Pro project, or you are looking for anything which can deliver data in high speed and real time, then you need an SSD. Either that's an NVMe 2 or either that's a normal SSD. So the product which I have here is the Barracuda Fast SSD, and we'll just talk quickly about the packaging. I'll just show you. So on the front it's written Barracuda Fast SSD. It comes with this Adobe Creative Cloud software subscription. On the left it tells you a little bit about you can connect with the computers. It does come with some sort of I think so USB as well. On the rear it gives you some information in different languages, and on the other side it tells you that it's compatible with Mac and Windows. And it does give you some information, and on the bottom it gives you the serial number. So why I bought this Barracuda Fast SSD is that I had the NVMe 2, but that is something which I built. So I was feeling that maybe there's a problem in the controllers and the controllers are getting heated up. So I wanted something which is more robust and more from the factory, not that I can build it. So that's why I thought of going for the Barracuda Fast SSD instead of there's another one from Seagate which is I think so that has the NVMe 2. So if you want to look at the video which I recently made for the NVMe 2 2TB storage drive, you can click on the link over here and you can go and watch that video, and then you can leave your comments and see what the difference is. But in this specific video I'm going to be unboxing this, and then I'm going to do a test probably with the Blackmagic software, and hopefully we'll come up with some results. But this is going to be my go-to drive. So the first thing, as soon as you want to unbox it, that it comes sealed. So if you're buying the drive, just remember that it'll be sealed on the bottom and on the top like that. So you need to cut those seals, and here we go, guys. So in the box you can see it comes with two leaflets. One is the Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan. I think so it has some sort of a serial number or something which you can maybe activate. It's got 3 months of this software plan, and then it comes with the Barracuda Fast SSD quick startup guide. Now the first thing is that the drive is it's very tiny, it's very small, it's plastic but it feels like metal. I've seen that this part it glows green, so I'm not sure if we can change the color from green to any other color. On the top it says Seagate. On the bottom it shows a USB-C port, and the rest of the sides is rounded and it's flush. It looks very nice. I'm just going to show you guys here. So it's a pretty neat drive. If you look at it, it's very, very thin and looks like solid metal, but it's not very heavy. It's quite light. And apart from that, we have two cables. One is the normal USB cable with the USB-C port, and the other one will be the USB-C to USB-C. The cable is roughly, I think it's more than 30 centimeters. Probably looks a little bit more than 30 centimeters. Build quality, it's quite hard, as you can see. Maybe with the passage of time it might get a bit loosened up, and let's go ahead and click this in. So that's quite a reassuring sort of click when you want to click it in. So that's it. So that is the drive, that's the cable attached to it. So let's do some speed tests and see how it performs on the Blackmagic disk test. So guys, I've just connected it to my PC, and I've got this HP PC. It's a gaming PC, and I did make a video of this. If you want to watch that, the link is in the description above. So this PC is showing a green light, and so is the Seagate external drive is showing a green light. I'm not sure if that color can be changed, but let's do the speed test and let's check it out how it performs. So one very interesting thing I've noticed is that as soon as I connect it into my Windows computer, it shows a picture of the Seagate drive with the green mark on it, which is quite cool. And I'm going to connect my MacBook and then do the speed test, and let's see how that goes. So after connecting the SSD to my MacBook, it does show me over here that it's a Seagate and it shows the same logo of that drive. So here we go, guys. This is the Blackmagic Design disk speed test, and first of all we'll select the target disk. So guys, as you can see that it is roughly 500 megabits per second of write speed, and roughly I think it should be the same, but more or less 500 megabits per second read speed. That is very fast. It's not as fast as the SSD which is built inside the Mac, or it's not as fast as an NVMe 2 which is built inside a computer, because it has got direct interface, but as an external drive, that is a very, very high speed drive. So guys, as you can see, we've done the Blackmagic disk speed test, and the speed is 500 megabits roughly. It would be an excellent drive for all your projects and your day-to-day work, and you can carry it around and you don't have to worry that if you drop it and then it's like going to stop working. So it'll be a very good option if you're planning to buy it. It is a bit expensive, I think, so it costed me roughly £220. I'm not sure how much that is in dollars, but the drive is really worth the money. So I think that if you are planning to buy an external drive, and you're working as I'm working, and sometimes you are on your desk or you're moving, then you really need an external drive, and it's USB-C, it's robust, it's good, it's from a good company. If you guys are planning to buy an external drive and you have any opinions, or if you buy one, just leave your comments in the section below, and share with all of us that what you're planning to buy or what your views are on this drive, and then we can discuss over it in another video. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and appreciate if you subscribe and like to my channel. That really helps. I will be making other videos soon, which will be coming, which is probably weekly, and I'll be doing other giveaways as well. So stay tuned and catch you in the next video, and bye for now.